Hello people. Some time ago I bought probably original Apple power delivery charger, 18 watts, and I thought that's an original because the seller says it's original. Well, it's not original. You can find you can just go to the Apple shop and see the original, and you will find a lot of differences between this and the original. And not only in position of the logo, the fonts and the size of the font, and actually this is not a laser, this is just a print color, tint print, I don't know, whatever. So when I bought this one, I found this is it really has the fast charging power delivery function, and I was able to charge it in 15 minutes till 30%. 15 minutes, 30%. So it was able to charge, but I feel myself uncomfortable because I hear some noise from inside of it, and I just wonder what the hell is that. So ta-da! Actually, you can see here the ferrum, 5 grams, 10 grams probably, I don't know, it is true, and some another piece of metal inside is glued, sticked, and put here. Actually, I was wondering why is this okay or not? Why it has a fast charging function, the power delivery works well, but the noise and the weight was like an original. I don't remember actually, 54 grams or something like this. Everything like original, but the noise give me a chance to open it. So I open it and find out a lot of ferrum inside. This is how looks the copy. This is how looks falsificate. This is how they do this. This is how they copying an original charger. You can even remove it like this, as you can see. It's just ferrum plates. And also this one, it would be not so easy because it is glued well. Actually, you can see here, this is not original, this is fake. And now guys, you know, better buy in the shop for sure. And let me show you, I think I still have here box. I will show you how you can find this is not an original. First of all, you can see here is gray, and original box is more like black, this way. The font is different, okay? The font, you can see that it's different from original. And here the Apple logo, and the font here is different, and the Apple logo should be a bit higher than this one. Also, when you buy, before you open, there is a small sealer. Where's this here? Okay, this sealing part never is translucent, never transparent. It's translucent, but is not so transparent. And once you see this kind of very transparent sticking, is not original. Also, look here. On original, you will find out that after word iPad, there is a space. So, not original. After word iPad, whatever, there is no space, there is a dot. Dot, 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 but should be a space. And after space, go dot, and then slash. Also, here, it looks like original, but not. Once you got in your hands original box of this charger, you will never confuse with the fake one. Documents, fake documents. Okay, the fake, I don't know how to call it. It was like this, there, and everything is fake. The size of this part should be big one. Inside of the box should be another one like this. I don't know how you call it, but this is the quality of the paper is very different from original. Okay guys, so now you know what is inside. Now you know why it doesn't work, why you know why it's so cheap. I bought this one on eBay for 13 euros. Just the guy stated that it's 100% original, and also it states it has certificates, etc, and is used. It's been in use. So I decided, okay, I bought it, and I make a video of box opening and just send all this information to eBay, and eBay said, oh hell, it's not original, it's a fake one. So you buy firm. Good luck.